Hello everyone, this is your host Khadija. I hope you guys are doing very well. So I am here with another episode of Learning Vocabulary. Today's first term is distant, means apart in time, गुजरे हुए वक्त में, दूर से, बहुत दूर दराज, फासले पर होना. ठीक है, एक वक्त की बात है, once upon a time, इस सेंस में. In the distant past, dinosaurs roamed the earth. Second term is distant, means expand karna. Because she was pregnant, her stomach began to distend as the baby grew. Third term is distill, means extract karna. Though he didn't know some of the words, the reader was able to distill most of what the author was saying. यानी कि उसे जो words थे उसकी कुछ understanding नहीं थी, but still he was able to understand what the author was saying. Fourth term is distinct, means different होना. The phrase has three distinct meanings. Fifth term is distinction, means honor होना, इम्तियाज होना, कुछ different specific characteristic होना. He was raised in a small town of no great distinction. Sixth term is distort, means give a false account of. बुरा कहना किसी चीज के बारे में, झूठ दिखाना, other side of the coin दिखाना. And specifically negative दिखाना. The story was distorted by the press. Seventh term is diverge, means separate into different directions. A prism causes rays of light to diverge. Eighth term is distraite, means absent-minded. She was distraught after her argument with her boss. Ninth term is distraught, means upset hona. She was distraught over the death of her partner. Tenth and last term is diurnal, means daily. Humans are diurnal creatures meant to be awake during the day and to wind down at night. Simple and clear sentence. So that's all for today's lecture, guys. Hope for the best and be prepared for the future. Allah Hafiz.